So whenever you're ready, what is your name, where you from, what you do?
Hello, my name is Mahalis Wakana and I'm from Ethiopia, Addis Ababa, and I'm a student. I just finished my freshman, and then I'm a student at Dredwa University, which is one of the universities in Ethiopia, and I study textile, apparel and fashion design. So before this course, I was totally lost. I did not feel confidence. I did not feel I was good enough. Maybe I thought I was like the least worthy. But when this magical woman came into my life through my neighbor, which we live together, she's like the most amazing person, and then she came through her, and then I saw the thing that she did for her, and then I was like, wow, this is so amazing. That woman is amazing. So when my neighbor told me she's coming to Addis Ababa, I was like, okay, cool. And then my neighbor like, you should do this, and then I was like, yeah, I'm doing this. And the stuff I learned, oh my god, it's so many things. And then what I knew, she really like gave me more and more and more, and then I was like, yes, I can do best now. I am the best now. You might think like I felt like I'm not beautiful. Like I see many girls, I see beauty in them, but I do not see beauty in me. The real beauty is I see beauty in others because I'm beautiful. And then this amazing woman, Farah, told me, whenever she said like I'm beautiful, you're beautiful, I was like, oh yeah. And then I told her for one day like she looked very beautiful, and then she said I'm your reflection, and then I was like, okay. And then we had our classes and our sessions, and then we had our aha moments. And then when after the class I just had my aha moment I wanted to share with you guys. So I told you, she said I'm your reflection whenever I said you're beautiful. And then my aha moment is our body is 70% of water, and then whenever you see into water it reflects you. So the beauty I saw in her was my reflection. So that is my aha moment. And then the things that she brought to me, I want to share it with my family. I want to share it with my whole world, because if people realize this, the world is gonna be, wow, an amazing place to live in for everybody. And I can see when I'm out of here, when I finish this and then do the things that I want to do for my family and my friends, I can see the change in them. I can see I'm creating a better life. And then I recommend this like huge, like this huge. Yeah, my hands are, you cannot see like how my hands went after this. And then Farah is amazing. She is amazing. She is a life changer. You have to see her. No, you want to see her. Thank you.
You're amazing. I'm just gonna ask you one or two questions so I can put it in the middle. So initially you said you were lacking confidence, you were lost and confused. How are you feeling now? So now I feel, and you start, by the way, look at the camera and smile.
Oh, now I feel, yes, I'm beautiful, I'm confident, I can do whatever, and then there is nothing impossible. I'm ready for the world. I can do the best.
And I am the best.
I am the best. You're gonna find me in the bestest category soon. Thank you very much, Farah, and I love you. I love you very much.